Hey guys, it's Alana J. I'm back again with another video. So as you guys see, I am in a different location. Yes, I am in Mexico. I'm in Tulum, Mexico. And this is a little get ready with me for our beach day. And I did not record this like speaking wise because the girls were sleeping. So yeah. So this is my skin routine prep. I'm using my Cetaphil Daily Skin Cleanser. I don't know why the camera wasn't focusing, but you guys get the gist. It is my Cetaphil Daily Skin Cleanser, and I am about to prep my skin for some makeup. The only makeup I really ended up doing was a really nice light concealer look. It was hot in Mexico, so I didn't want to do a whole foundation look. I really wanted to just keep it light and nice with the concealer. So yeah, as an esthetician, I try to make sure that I am really doing my skin prep for my makeup. I realize how important it is after studying all the things I studied in esthetician school. So, yeah, I'm really trying to make sure that I am cleaning my face as best as possible. And I believe I used bottled water to wash my face. I'm pretty sure. But, yeah, this room. Oh, there's the bottled water right there. Yep. This whole entire room that we had in Mexico was just so pretty, so gorgeous, so aesthetically pleasing. And I just had to do a get ready with me in here. So I am just rinsing my face off with that bottled water you guys saw. Wanted to make sure my face wasn't touching any impurities that are in the Mexican water. I don't know if that's still like a thing, but all I know is it was my first time in Mexico and I just wanted to be as careful as possible. So as you guys see, I do have eyelash extensions on. So far they've been doing really well. When I do wash my face, I make sure to wash my cheeks, my nose, all that stuff. And then for my lashes, I do have a whole lash shampoo and spoolie and little brush situation that I do. But I already did that last night, so we are all good for this morning. Right now, I am just rinsing off the rest of my face. And this get ready with me is like a full get ready with me. I already have my outfit on. I have a blue bikini from Shein. And then my cover up is from Fashion Nova, I believe. But you guys know I don't like them right now. So yeah, probably not going to provide the link for it. But I will provide something similar that you can find on Pretty Little Thing. Okay, so now I am about to brush my teeth for the day. I told you guys it is a full get ready with me. So yeah, I'm getting that water from the water bottle and I'm brushing my teeth, y'all. So I'm going to just skim through this. Y'all know how brushing y'all teeth goes. You know what the deal is. And we are going to get right to the makeup portion. Alrighty guys, now I'm finishing the rest of my skin prep with my Fat Water Toner and Serum by Fenty Skin, of course. This stuff has really helped my skin, guys, and As somebody who likes to make sure she completes all of her steps, but sometimes can forget them if there's too many steps in a routine, I really do appreciate that Fenty Skin has a lot of 2-in-1 steps, but they go together, like toner and serum. Toner goes before the serum, and the fact that the toner is a nice slippy base, but it also ties in what the serum would be, which is the same type of makeup. It really helps my skin, and it really helps me stay moisturized and hydrated. I love putting this stuff on my face. If you guys don't know what this is, definitely go to Fenty Skin. I will leave a link below of everything mentioned and try this out because it is amazing. Absolutely love it. So I'm now using my sunscreen slash moisturizer. Like I said, the 2-in-1 girls. We got it. This is really, really good for my face because it has niacinamide in it. And niacinamide helps prevent breakouts as well as anything that is on the underlying surface of your skin. And I'm telling you guys, when I stop using this stuff, like a couple days will go by and my skin's like semi-okay. But on that like 4th, 5th day, I can definitely feel a difference in my skin. So my skin, because it is more combo skin, having a hydrating moisturizer, but then also a moisturizer slash sunscreen that has niacinamide in it, that will protect me from the environment, any underlying environmental issues, as well as protect any skin issues that I have. It's great and amazing. So I just make sure that every product that I'm using in my skin prep is well into my skin before I move on. I actually didn't bring any other sunscreen on this trip, but I was carrying around my little Fenty Skin moisturizer slash sunscreen, and your girl did not burn. I mean, I don't really burn, but like I didn't feel like I had, a burning sensation from the sun down there. So that was really, really nice. And so you could just see me like rubbing the sunscreen on my body, making sure I am all set for the beach day. The beach day was really nice, and I was just so excited to like just go and lay on the beach. This bathing suit, ladies, with the chestis like I have, you just have to watch out. It does cover, but you just have to watch out and see how much coverage or lack thereof you can handle, if that made sense. Okay guys, so now everything from my skin prep is well into my skin, nicely penetrated, all good and dry. So before I even like start my makeup, I want to make sure that everything I just put on my face is well into my skin. And then I get my beauty blender, as y'all saw, and I am just wetting it, making sure that it is all damp and ready. I should have done this off camera, but it's fine. So now I'm just drying my hands a little bit, and I am using the NARS concealer. I'm using the Longwear Radiant, I believe that's what it's called, and it is in the shade Biscuit. What I did, because I didn't bring a flat eyeshadow brush, I basically applied the biscuit color or biscuit shade with the little applicator that the concealer comes with. And then you'll see in a second when I go into the matte concealer from NARS, I'm using the shade Toffee, and I basically just wipe off the applicator and use that to help me apply the Toffee shade. So here I am wiping it off, and that just helps me get a better application for my concealer. I wanted to make sure it looked the same way as if I were to bring a little flat eyeshadow brush. I completely forgot to bring one. I didn't even think about it. But this worked out perfectly well. And then, like I said, I am using the NARS Soft Matte Concealer in the shade Toffee for the center of my under eye. That is usually the darkest area of my under eye. And so with this little combination of the two colors, I get a really nice, even, bright under eye. But it's not too bright, but I love a bright under eye, so don't get me wrong. But this was really good for vacation and for the beach day, as well as for photos. So yeah, now I'm just highlighting the rest of my face, getting my nose a little bit above my cupid's bow. And then I'm going to take my beauty blender and I'm going to blend it all out. So I just blend the same way that I applied. I bring it down a little bit, but I try not to bring it down all the way because I found out that bringing down your concealer is like bringing down your face essentially. And the whole point of concealer is to conceal. So I don't want to bring down my face and make it look like it's sagging. I would rather use certain techniques to lift up my face. So yeah. So I just blend. I try my hardest not to get any in my lashes. I was a little bit difficult, but as you can see, it is an even blend across the board. And that was pretty much like my base. I didn't do any foundation. I really just did a nice under eye with concealer. And then you're going to see I use the Charlotte Tilbury bronzer. I use that as my contour. And just warm up my face after, putting some cooler concealer shades on it. I'm just making sure I get really in that inner corner because I don't want anything to look messed up because I don't have foundation, or not that I didn't have it, but I'm not putting it on to fix or correct anything. So yeah, here is the Charlotte Tilbury bronzer. It is absolutely gorgeous. And then I have it in the shade tan. That is a big fluffy powder brush that I have. And I just put that along my cheekbones. And as you can see, the color is automatically there being applied. Very, very nice. I absolutely love this bronzer. And I just think it looks absolutely stunning. It's so flawless. And I understand why Charlotte Tilbury's whole theme is flawlessness. Because all of their products are really flawless. They're so nice. So nice. So smooth. And they just go on really well and blend out really well. So now I am grabbing my Sephora Micro Smooth powder. This is also very amazing. I believe I have the shade tan or deep something. I'll put that on the screen, so I don't know the exact shade off the top of my head, but I am using that as just an overall face powder since I don't have anything else on like the bottom of my face. It's literally just my skin. So everywhere where I don't have my concealer, I am putting the Micro Smooth powder just for in photos. Everything looks seamless and smooth and pretty and nice. So that is my overall goal. I put it a little bit over where my concealer is, but not too much because I want to keep the whole brightening effect that we got going on. So now I'm just making sure my lashes look good. They look pretty good to me. Now I'm just cutting that contour a little bit with the Micro Smooth powder, just like evening it out a little bit, making sure it looks sharp. Even though I just use bronzer and a fluffy brush, but still, I wanted to make sure it looks sharp and put together and not just like I slapped some product on my face. That is not cute. So now I got my One Size Loose Powder by Patrick Starr. This powder is really, really nice. Really, really fine powder. The only thing is it's a little hard getting the powder out of the top with that little slit opening in the applicator, in the product, like the packaging. So yeah, you have to like really rub whatever applicator you're using to get. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's that little slash. And that's a little hard to get the loose powder out of, but it works really nice once you get it out of there. And here I am cutting my contour a little bit more with the loose powder, just making sure it is as sharp as possible. Now I didn't use too much loose powder because there is nothing there but other powder, and I do not want to dry out my skin. So yeah, that's also why skin prep is really important. If you know that you use a lot of powders, you want to make sure that your skin is well hydrated underneath and hydrated enough to be solid throughout the day. It is now time to wipe off that baking powder underneath my eyes. So I just took a round powder brush, or a round angled powder brush, and made sure to take all of that powder away. I love using these type of brushes to take away any powder that is a brightening powder. I just feel like they work better and it gives a cleaner finish. So yeah, I'm just making sure everything looks super clean and looks good. The makeup is almost done. We are now using my Morphe Continuous Setting Spray. This kept my little no makeup look on all day, especially looking good in the hot sun. So that was really, really nice. And now I'm fanning it, and I'm going to let my setting spray dry down a little bit more. I don't let it dry down completely, but I also don't take my beauty blender and just apply it to the setting spray right away. I feel like I find a more flawless finish by letting it dry down a little bit more and then doing the beauty blender. So now I am grabbing my fragrance by Dossier. It is the Grwm Orange Blossom, and it smells absolutely amazing. I love smelling like warm florals, and this just really gave tropical beach day. And I was so excited to just smell like that the whole day. So that was really, really nice. I just put it in all my areas, on each side of my neck. I also put it across my neck, on my wrists. And I'm just fixing my bathing suit because I got a little caught in it on my bracelet. But yep, and then I grabbed some deodorant. You know, you don't want to be musty in Tulum. Just does not seem right. And I kept it with the same type of scent range, like fruit and like nice smelling vegetables. So this is a cucumber. Cucumber smells really good. So that and the Grwm Orange just smelled really fresh, but also fruity. So it was like fresh and fruity day. Really, really nice. Absolutely love that. And here is my hair. Really cute. Just simple. Really cute from Ashmore Hair. Absolutely love it. So gorgeous. And then here is the full fit. Hope you guys enjoyed. Bye.